In my video guide, I will give you detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the browser hijacker called Best-secure.xyz. This is a browser hijacker that currently attacks Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and other popular browsers. Best-secure.xyz is advertised by its developers as some helpful tool that can render more security for your online browsing. But in reality, Best-secure.xyz functions as a typical browser hijacker. It changes some important browser settings, for instance the default homepage, the default search engine, and the new tab URL. And when you start submitting some search queries, you may notice that the results are surprisingly delivered by Bing.com. Sometimes they may be provided by Yahoo, but it's not your choice to use this search engine, Bing or Yahoo. However, Best-secure.xyz tries to make such important decisions instead of you. So if you are not happy with all such alterations into the way your browser operates, you need to get rid of this browser hijacker immediately from your system. So, how to remove Best-secure.xyz? Go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. Now disable and delete any third-party extensions that you may find here. Finally, I recommend you to additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the official page combocleaner.com, downloading the software, and then researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect other threats that could be possibly hidden on your device. After you click on the Start Combo Scan button in Combo Cleaner trial mode, the program will begin the detailed research and investigation of your Mac computer. By the way, certain features in Combo Cleaner trial mode are absolutely free. For instance, they are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Features like antivirus or privacy scanner are the parts of the premium license only. However, the program, even in the trial mode, will give you the full summary of all threats that were detected during the scan. The scanning may take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is, and then at the end of scan you will be able to review the results of the threats that were detected during the Combo Cleaner scanning. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. So, as you can clearly see, the program not only gives you the names of threats, but also their exact location on your Mac computer. So you have an option to remove each threat manually, one threat at a time, and this will be free removal, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to get rid of all such threats altogether and automatically.